This is the SOG-TAC Mini platform. It's got a hard anodized aluminum handle, again reversible low carry pocket clip on there. They have a safety switch. Forward is locked, back is unlocked. But what we've done with this one is we've designed this for the California market. In California, automatic knives under 2 inches are legal. So I'll just push down on the blade here. You've got a full-size handle with a little 2-inch blade. Features our cryogenic AUS 8 stainless steel blade, black tie-dye coated. Again, you just push the lock button there, close it, snaps back open there. And it's a good knife. It fits really well in your hand. See it make a great fighting knife as well. So again, this is a SOG California Auto. And nice little hard anodized aluminum handles.